Hi everyone, welcome to the Spaced Input YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Spaced Input and share some of my favorite tips for using the app. Spaced Input is a static space repetition app that allows you to set your own schedule for each task. It's designed for comprehensible input materials, but you can use it for any type of material as well. Before I discovered Spaced Input, I used a combination of basic space repetition app and my physical calendar because I couldn't find a program that integrated a calendar view, a to-do list app, and the ability to save links and create interactive reminders with a custom space repetition schedule. But what is interactive reminder, you might be wondering. It's a reminder that when tapped opens up the relevant software, whether it's YouTube, Apple Podcast, Safari or Instagram. Basically anything where you can copy a link from. In the rest of this video, I'm going to show you all the features that the app has. It has a free option and a paid section where you can support the project. We are also working on creating a browser version and an Android version of the app. But don't worry, you have all the essentials built in the free version. So let's jump in and take a look at Spaced Input. First, you will need to search for the app in the App Store and open it up. You will then need to sign in with your email address and password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page, which features a monkey face. This is basically the most important part of the app. Now, let's look at creating a task. All you have to do is tap the monkey face and then enter the name of the task along with the link to the material you wanna learn. It could be a video, a web page, an Instagram link, or a podcast. Whatever you want to learn. Next, you will need to choose a schedule for the task. You have two templates to choose from, a short-run schedule and a long-run schedule. But my favorite feature is the custom schedule option. This allows you to be very specific about when you want to review the material, and you can choose from a variety of intervals. I personally use different schedules for the different languages I'm learning, because I'm at different level and the number of repetition also depends on the importance or relevance of the topic. This is the best part about Spaced Input. You can really customize your schedule to meet your specific needs. Alright, now we have our first task created. One thing to note is that unlike many other to-do list apps, tasks don't disappear when they are ticked off in Spaced Input. This is because it's helpful to see at the end of the day what you have accomplished. It has a psychological effect. The calendar view is also really handy because it allows you to complete tasks in advance if you have a long weekend coming up or if you weren't able to finish your repetitions on a particular day. Another useful feature is the search or archive option. In the archive, you can search for tasks by name and date, and the links are still interactive, so if you remember reading a useful article earlier in Spaced Input, you can easily look it up and read it again. And that's why I find space repetition so crucial in our age. We have so many input and stimulation a day that it's really hard to stick to one specific area, and you read something interesting and you watch something interesting and then you carry on with your life and forget everything. Spaced Input helps consistency, regularity. You go with every repetition deeper and deeper into the topic. You develop a better understanding of that specific topic. Learning is about taking action and implementing what you have learned in your life. If you don't apply what you have learned, it's just mental masturbation. Don't be the person who reads 52 books a year and doesn't put any of the information into practice. One of my favorite features of Spaced Input is the tip section, where we are building a community of like-minded people who are passionate about language learning, or learning in general. We are still working on it, but soon it will be ready and you will be able to connect with others who are sharing your interests. I will be publishing videos and articles every 2 weeks. On the last page, you can send feedback, report a bug, buy premium to join the community and enjoy the ad-free version of the app. If you wanna enjoy the ad-free version of Spaced Input, be among the first to read our latest articles and support the development of the app, consider joining our premium group in the settings menu for less than price of a coffee. With access to exclusive content and a supportive community of language learners, you will be well on your way to achieving your learning goals. With Spaced Input by your side, the sky is the limit for your language learning journey. Keep up the great work and remember that consistent progress and repetition are the keys to success. Keep learning, keep improving, and always keep pushing forward. You got this.